मध्ये तू सदो आणि सदैव तुझा पूज जेजू. देवाचो पूत मनीस जालो. आमी दिन वाचता तुका आयच्या दिसा जेन्ना आमी बायणीची पवित्र सभा एक कुटुंब कसो आमचो मोग एक वोट टाकूंक आनी कांद्रे साहेबीची परब संभ्रमूंक आमी एकठांय जाल्यो. हे आमचे दोन एका कुटुंबा पासत आमी तुका दिन वाचता आनी आर्गां दिता. आनी कांद्रे साहेबीची विनवणी आमच्या कुटुंबाचेर आमच्या भुरगेपणाचेर आमच्या भावदांदाचेर जेजू सोबत आशिर्वाद घाल. आयच्या दिसा जायते भाव भयणांनी आमकां आदार दिला. जांक पयशे वाटेन जांक वावर करून जांक हेर वाटेनी हे सगळे तेंचे आसने पासत तुका दिन वाचता आनी आर्गां दिता आनी मागता हो कार्यक्रम जो आमी फुडें व्हरतले तुज्याच आशिर्वादान तो भर. आमच्या समेस्तांचेर आशिर्वाद घाल. जे माचयेर आमची बरी करतले जांक जाणटी जांक भुरगीं तेजेर शुभम आशिर्वादान बेसांवां तूं वतय. कांद्या साहेबांनी आमचेर तुजो आशिर्वाद घाल. हे मागणें आमी करता तुज्या पुता जेजूचे नांवान.
तुमचो एकवट केलो फुडाराचो भयणी काजारी जिवीत मोगान तुवें सारूंक जाय. मुन्नी आसा मुर्शाकू तोरानिकूय गोरवाक दायेत. सोदांच मोगान गोवाची फामिली सोबेत. सोदांच मोगान गोवाची फामिली सोबेत. बाय सारिता आपूर बायेचे क्लेसबोर बरे भाशेन सांबाळून भयणी कोर तुझे गोर. तोडूंक दिवना काय साक्रामेंतान गूट बांदलेले दोर. नेगार वचो नाकाय भयणी तुवें दिलेले उतोर. भयणी तुजी मायकानीक पाय केन्नाच विसरो नाका. जाणटे पिरायेचेर दुखां तूं केन्नाच दिव नाका. तशेंच केल्यार वायट दिसतले गांवच्या लोकांक. तशेंच केल्यार वायट दिसतले गांवच्या लोकांक. बाब एंटनी जावय तूं ह्या तांच्या घराचो बरी भाशेन सांबाळ कर पुता ह्या पोराचो. फुडाराक आनीक तांकां आदार ना कोणाचो. तूं तांकां दी बूक तुज्या बऱ्या गुणाचो. देवान तुमच्या एकवटाचेर ह्या भरपूर बेसांव घालची. देवा लागीं तुमचे लागीं सगल्यांची मागणी आमची. तशी तुमच्या एकवटाची बरी फळां जावची. तशी तुमच्या एकवटाची बरी फळां जावची. विवा
सगळ्यांनी ताळयो वाजच्यो. सावध करपाक आजाराची आमचो बाब रेजीदोर ह्या गांवचो तसोच व्हडलो भाटकार
सारिताबाई आमचे गांवचे बरें चेडू तेजी चिटी वाचले पातीगारान आनी तेन्ना 4-5 न्हवरे मेवले म्हाका म्हणपा लागले आपूण काजार जावपा आहला तेजे बारा करून हांवें म्हणलें तो कित करया तेका न्हवरो मेवला तूं आनी तूं मदें कित्याक पडटाय ना फादरान चिटी वाचले आनी सांगलें ऑब्जेक्शन आहाल्या येवन सांगाय म्हणून हांवें सांगलें ऑब्जेक्शन आहल्या इगोजे हाटल्यान बाय आसा म्हणून जीव दिवपा न्हू हांवें सांगलें तेंकां बायचें उदक बरें थोंड आहा तोंड धुयात आनी भितर चोयात तुमगे तोंड कशें दिसता तें
Knees, toes, head, shoulder, cup. Toe, head, shoulder, knees, toes, head, shoulder, head, knees, toes, head, shoulder, knees, toes, head, shoulder, cup. Shoulder, head, cup. Knees, toes, head, shoulder, toes, knees, shoulder, head, cup. Okay, who are left? You all can clap on the beat.
Oh, you said no, no, no. I said no, 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 no. You say take me home. I said no, Perignon. You said no, no, no. I said no, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca. Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca.
I wanna see rain on me forever. Rivers of champagne, celebrate together. I wanna see rain on me forever. Rivers of champagne, celebrate together.
Hasta la vida loca, 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 loca. Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca. Hasta la vida loca, 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 loca. Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca. Toca, toca, toca. Hasta la vida loca, 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 loca. Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca. Hasta la vida loca, 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 loca. Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca.
I see your eyes every day and every night, and I wanna hold you, love you till the end of time. Stay overnight, cause I want you in my life, and I wanna love you, I will never make you cry.
Hasta la vida loca, 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 loca. Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca. Hasta la vida loca, 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 loca. Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca. Toca, toca, toca.
move. Sit wherever you get a seat. Arey baap. Okay. Those who didn't got a seat. So we need to dance. Okay, we'll put a dancing song next. Let's go. Okay. Okay. You are going to go and get a hair clip or a clutcher from a lady and come. Clutcher बोला क्यूट कैसा लग रहा है तो? Clip होता है उसका. Okay. You all are going to grab a wallet of a man and come.
Sobitaj godawiaci, działo na uszarkaj budiaci. Murgiani uszarkaj poldolu, samsarani anomio atio golu. Surya jakina pori poldolu, goro jami moi pasta kandimu. Murgiani uszarkaj poldolu, samsarani anomio atio golu. Surya jakina pori poldolu, goro jami moi pasta kandimu. Aizlan kupalan jau pole, mai pantace zaite castical. Purvolle jau na vaitan zortor pole, dure tanja bura race pole. Surya devon kalo kamche pota, deshori murya vai chita peta. Vachibun koti kortu maadata, chennam chadolo tacher nasta. Surya devon kalo kamche pota, deshori murya vai chita peta. Vachibun koti kortu maadata, chennam chadolo tacher nasta. Burgi jenna olli zata wadon, gupi choria anga tuisor dogun. Pawati sos moni taka nason, kore sukso tuso eta bawon. Samsaraniya olli pida murlar, favoritism ani ay bhrashtachar. Prostitution, drugs, कशे जुगार, फुडारला भुरग्यांक कसले वायसीस लागल्यार. Rico por cotelia torre son sanzalonata Pira pitane sosi un sotto vitone u pesale loca Ifernato rosto devando vola moja sota con soldata
Cori turbore meauta, guai tan solo turbai tut gauta, tona tan tuja kazira, sai te chica zajita, shivita, sodat landikaye, solo nakai, insta botikaye. सारी जिविताची साचे मोलाचे सोड महत्वाचे देणे देवाचे जिविकात कांताल्यात रावता हें पणुज्याचे
केल्ल्या पासत जेवण आमचे कुडीक कशें जावं भलायकीक जावं आयच्या दिसा जी कोण बुकीन आसात तांचोय उगडास आमी करता तांकांय तुका आनी दर एका जेवणा बरोबर आमच्या दिसपट्ट्या जिवितान आमी तुजो उगडास करूंक आमकां फावो कर आमी मागता तुज्याच पुता जेजू क्रिस्ता आमच्या सुम्या वरवीं
सर्वेस्पर तुमचे सभे आसूं आनी सबरेदार देव बाप पूत आनी पवित्र आत्मो तुमचेर ह्या जेवणाचेर आपलो आशिर्वाद घालूं celebration is to unite all the families together, so that we bond together, we love each other. Second thing is to discover the talents. Now this food is cooked by our parishioners. No cook was brought from outside, but our people from the village of Baina have got together and cooked for almost 400 plus people. So that shows the unity, the workmanship, the team spirit of the parish of Baina. Then we have some items which are put up to know the talents, and you might have seen on stage the small children dancing and helping them to grow up so that they bloom into good citizens and theatre artists which they will produce in future. Secondly, this family day is a celebration of the feast of Our Lady of Kandalari, and she being a mother, she's called as the mother of light, Uzvatya Jivita. And we can see the hard work that has been put on, and all these items, the games, the food management, the other things which were done, it all manifests the light which you want to spread out to the world, nothing else but love. So this I would like to thank you, and I would thank my people also of Baina and our confrade and all the parishioners for the beautiful day we had when we are celebrating this day of Our Lady of Kandalari feast. Thank you.
Once a year phenomena called Family Day, which we have in our parish on the 2nd of Feb, which is the feast of Mother Mary, the presentation of our Lord. And during this time, that is the family evening, all our parishioners come together and we spend time together. There are games, lots of fun, sport prizes, and some of our children also present items to show their talent, which is a very good thing. But more than that, the spirit of family, and the highlight of today was also showing of the various apparitions of Mother Mary, the various forms she was seen in the world. And the first prize was bagged by a girl who dressed up as Our Lady of Fatima, beautifully with lights and all. So this is one thing which brings us together, the spirit of family, and we have been doing this for many, many years. I've been part of this also for over 40 years. So this is a good thing which we need to continue to inculcate family values. Thank you.
Today we've been celebrating for a long time, maybe around 40 years since the church was built. From chapel it was turned into a church, and now this 40 years we celebrate it as a family day, 2nd February being the feast of Candelaria. And all this our parish council gathers together along with all the associations. We take active part, and for the first time Confraria involved itself in a program called Portone. We showed the old traditional way of the second day of wedding, where the bride brings the bridegroom to her place, and it's a celebration, and you try to show our youngsters what exactly is to happen. For this we had lot of feedback from everybody, all the senior citizens here in Baina. They gave us ideas, and they also joined us in putting up a program like this, and nearly 40 people were there in the program, and you have seen everything how it has worked out. And it was a fantastic day for us since we brought this Portone which we showed to all the people. The kids loved it. Secondly, there was a event we called it Be Like Mary. In that all the youngsters dress up. We kept it open for ladies of all ages. And last year we had 10 participants. This time we had 16. So we give one prize and all the other participants get their prizes. But one single prize as a winner. We have judges, everything, and it was a fantastic response this time. And this shows the love for Mother Mary. Today is the day of Mother Mary, 2nd February, feast of Our Lady of Candelaria, and they have projected very well their what talents that they have in dressing up like Mary, different forms that Mother Mary comes into our lives. So it was a very good day, and we hope the viewers also like it. And thank you for coming today. And secondly, you can see a lot of songs and talents being displayed by our youngsters, and kids of all ages, youth had participated in it, and it was a full day of preparations, and we had nearly two hours of function over here. We started at 7, we are ending up around 10:30, and somehow we have managed to keep our time, and now the food is being served at this time about 10:30, and we'll wind up because tomorrow is a working day. And all this food, as Father has said, it was prepared by our parishioners themselves, they have come and cooperated and did lot of dishes, and it's not a easy thing to have 400 and 440, 450 plus. Last year we have 440 participants. This time we had less. So it was very nice to see all the participants today, and the love and unity that our Bainakars, we can say, that have come together as parishioners of Our Lady of Candelaria. It was very nice to see, and we hope we replicate it next year also.